Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by cleaning the scene. Freeze transforms and delete history so UV data behaves predictably. Once done, select the mesh you want to wrap and open the UV editor. This gives you visual control. If you're copying UVs from a source object, use transfer attributes with UVs checked and set the right sample space, world or local, so islands align. Make sure your meshes have matching topology, or use a high-quality projection for better transfer results before continuing. You now choose a projection that best matches the model's form: planar for flat, cylindrical for tubes, spherical for bulbs. After projecting, pin critical UV shells and run unfold to relax distortion. The Smooth UV tool can help even out texel density. If transferring, set transfer attributes to use closest point on surface or ray to surface depending on overlap. Then preview and tweak the UV shells in the UV editor. Make sure texel density is consistent to avoid stretching once textured. Finish by packing UV shells efficiently and setting a consistent texel density so textures read correctly across the surface. Once packed, export a UV snapshot or apply a checker material to inspect seams, stretching, and overlaps. Scale shells as needed. If you hit problems, check normal's orientation, remove overlapping UV shells, and verify transfer sampling settings. If baking or painting artifacts remain, recalibrate your projection or reproject small areas, then rerun unfold.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.